Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a product concierge here at Mercedes-Benz of Asheville, and today I'm going to show you the parking assist feature that most Mercedes-Benz have to offer. So what you're going to want to do is come to your center console, click this P button with the camera right here. That's going to pull up this screen. Then what you're going to do is drive forward. It's going to start searching for parking spaces. Once it locates one, it's gonna ding. You apply the brake, press this button again, let go, and it's gonna start parking for you. And once it's finished, it'll put it in park for you and you're done.
Here you can see it from the outside perspective. You can see it searching for parking spaces. And now it sees that space and it's gonna back into it. Now you can see that it's going to line you up with the spot, back you into it, and put it in park for you.
And that's all I have for you today. Comment below what you'd like to see next.